This is a 2020 Ford Edge ST model. Front end collision. Need the front bumper. Need the headlight, both sides. Both fenders look good. You're gonna need the cooling, radiator condenser. Tabs are broken on the headlights. You need the radiator support. See, the cooling is damaged. Tabs are broken on this headlight also. The engine starts. Aprons look okay. So radiator support's broken there. Apron's okay on this side. It's got some rear end collision damage as well. You need a quarter skin, rear body panel, rear tailgate, rear bumper assembly, and this quarter panel as well. Panoramic roof. This door looks okay. This door and fender look okay as well. Let's take a look inside. Interior is nice. There goes the panoramic roof. All the airbags are intact.